What material do you use for precast molds? So the material depends on the type of project. For example, if you have a project that has a lot of repetition, like you have a project that has 200 villas, 300 villas, or 5,000 villas, or you have a multi-story building that needs a lot of repetition, then I would go for steel molds because they last longer. Now, if you're doing a project that does not have the budget to have steel molds, you can use a carpenter and make wooden molds using marine ply. That works. You can at least get 3-4 castings out of that, and it reduces the cost by a lot. If you're doing architectural products, you can use rubber molds, where you can simply use a CNC machine to make the shape that you need on a piece of wood. Put that in a mold, pour some rubber liquid, wait for it to cure, and then remove that sheet of rubber. Place that sheet of rubber in your actual mold and cast the concrete. Then that concrete will take the shape of that rubber mold. You can buy the rubber mold from different places. There are many companies who supply the liquid rubber. So that's rubber mold. And you have silicone mold, which gives you excellent finish, but it does not allow you a lot of repetitions. You have various other kinds of molds as well, like GRP molds, which is FRP molds in India, and give you excellent finish, but you need to have people who know how to make these molds. It's a very simple process, but still, if you're somebody starting out, you can use a carpenter to make your molds if there are not many features. So if you're making a structural building that needs very less features on it, just use a carpenter or a wooden mold. If you think you will require a lot of features, then use a rubber mold along with the wooden mold. Saves you cost. I hope I answered that question.